camera shows an airplane flying peacefully above the clouds. Inside, passengers are calm, some reading, some sleeping, others looking out the window. An airplane is one of the safest ways to travel. Every day, millions of flights take off and land without any issues. But sometimes accidents do happen. And the question that arises is, why does an airplane crash? One of the major reasons is technical failure. If the engine catches fire, the hydraulic system breaks down, or electrical systems fail, controlling the aircraft becomes nearly impossible. Pilots try everything to keep the plane stable, but sometimes the malfunction is so severe that it leads to a crash. Weather is another big factor. The sky may look clear, but inside the clouds a dangerous storm might be waiting. Strong winds, lightning, and heavy rain can shake the plane violently. Sometimes during landing, poor visibility can make it almost impossible for pilots to see the runway, and even a small mistake can cause disaster. Human error is the most common cause. Most crashes happen due to mistakes by pilots or air traffic controllers. If the wrong altitude is chosen, the speed is miscalculated, or communication breaks down, the consequences can be fatal. Bird strikes are also a real threat. If large birds get sucked into the engines, they can shut down instantly. This usually happens during takeoff or landing when planes are flying close to the ground. Fuel problems can also lead to a crash. If fuel leaks, if the planning was incorrect, or if the pilots fail to notice in time, the plane might run out of fuel mid-air. An emergency landing is the only hope, but if that's not possible, disaster follows. Sadly, sometimes the cause is deliberate. Terrorist attacks, sabotage, or hijackings have caused some of the most tragic crashes in history. But here's the truth: air travel is still the safest form of transportation. Thanks to modern technology, strict safety standards, and highly trained pilots, accidents are extremely rare. In fact, traveling by plane is many times safer than traveling by car or bus.